We need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we have cotangent of x added to cotangent of 60 degree plus x minus cotangent of 60 degree minus x. Now what we'll do, we'll convert each of the cotangent function to its reciprocal. That means we'll write it in its tangent form. We know that the cotangent of x will be simply 1 over tangent of x. Then the second term, cotangent of 60 degree plus x, that will become 1 over tangent of 60 degree plus x. And the third term, which is cotangent of 60 degree minus x, that will become 1 over tangent of 60 degree minus x. Fine. Now, we know there's a standard formula for tangent of a plus b. So that's given by tangent of angle A plus tangent of angle B divided by 1 minus tangent of angle A times tangent of angle B. Now, if we take tangent of A minus B, then in the numerator we'll have tangent of A minus tangent of B, and in the denominator we'll have 1 plus tangent of A times tangent of B. So using this formula, we can express the denominator of the second term and the third term in the given form. We have 1 over tangent of x added to, now what we'll do, we'll have to take the reciprocal. So let's start from the denominator part. So we will take tangent of 60 degree plus tangent of x, and in the numerator we have 1 minus tangent of 60 degrees times tangent of x. Similarly, in the third term, we have in the denominator tangent of 60 degree minus tangent of x, and in the numerator we have 1 added to tangent of 60 degrees times tangent of x. This will be equals to 1 over tangent of x plus 1 minus, now we tangent of 60 degree has a standard value of square root of 3. So we have 1 minus square root of 3 times tangent of x divided by square root of 3 plus tangent of x minus 1 plus square root of 3 times tangent of x divided by square root of 3 minus tangent of x. So this will be equals to 1 over tangent of x. What we'll do, we're going to combine the third and the fourth term. So we'll take the common denominator, which is square root of 3 plus tangent of x. This will get multiplied to square root of 3 minus tangent of x. Now in the numerator, the first term will be the multiplication of the numerator of the second term and the denominator of the third term. So we should get square root of 3 minus tangent of x minus 3 times tangent of x plus square root of 3 tangent squared x. And the next term will be the product of the numerator of the third term and the denominator of the second term. So that should give us negative square root of 3 minus 3 times tangent of x. Then we have negative tangent of x minus square root of 3 tangent squared x. Now we can see that some of the terms will get cancelled out. So we have square root of 3 and negative square root of 3, positive square root of 3 tangent squared x, and negative square root of 3 tangent squared x gets cancelled out, and that's going to leave us with, now we have 1 over tangent of x added to, so here negative tangent of x, negative 3 tangent of x, negative 3 tangent of x, and negative tangent of x, that becomes negative 8 times tangent of x. And in the denominator, that's simply the difference of squares. So we should get 3 minus tangent squared x. Now we're going to combine these two terms. So we get tangent of x multiplied to 3 minus tangent squared x. And in the numerator, we have 3 minus tangent squared x minus 8 times tangent squared x, which will be equals to, so we have 3 minus 9 tangent squared x divided by 3 times tangent of x minus tangent cubed x. Fine. What we'll do, in the numerator, we're going to take 3 as the common factor. So 3 gets multiplied to 1 minus 3 times tangent squared x whole divided by 3 times tangent of x minus tangent cubed x. Now we know that there's a standard formula. If we have tangent of 3x, so that's given by 3 times tangent of x minus tangent cubed x whole divided by 1 minus 3 times tangent squared x, which means that we get 3 divided by tangent of 3x. And if we take this to the numerator, this will be simply equals to 3 times cotangent of 3x. So therefore, the value of the trigonometric expression cotangent of x plus cotangent of 60 degree plus x minus cotangent of 60 minus x, that will be equals to 3 times cotangent of 3x.